This brand is made in the USA by Enertech Global LLC and is only sold through its dealer network. All of their units feature aluminum micro-channel air coils to eliminate corrosion and a composite antimicrobial drain pan to inhibit mold growth. They are very quiet due to their quadruple compressor isolation system and variable speed fan motors. They feature Copeland Ultra-Tech compressors, appliance-grade cabinets and standard domestic hot water assist to lower the home's water heating costs. The standard warranty on the units is not very good, but they offer an optional 18-year extension on the coils and compressor. The Navigator YT models are for upflow installation with a 19.9 ER efficiency, while the Element vs VT models are more compact for upflow installation in tight spaces and has a 19.7 ER rating. The Element ZSZT models are compact horizontal units that are available with either single or two-stage compressors and a 19.7 ER efficiency. The Compass CT models provide hot water for radiant floor heating systems as well as standard air heating and cooling. They have two-stage compressors with a 18.3 ER efficiency. The Compass XT models are their entry in the premium category with a 20.3 ER efficiency. The brand uses basic 1-inch filters, which is not as good as many other brands.